What's going on, everyone? My name is Colin. Welcome to the Poke Office. I'm coming at you from my hotel room in Anaheim, California. Release day of Obsidian Flames. So it's going to be a bit of a low key video here because I don't have much of my equipment around, but we're going to go through the release day markets anyways. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Starting off with the trainers. We got the Poppy, the Rhyme, and the Gita, all under $10. The Poppy is 316 currently, Rhyme 375, Gita 811. Basically, what I'm seeing right off the day to start the day is that the prices are pretty low. I am a little hesitant about Obsidian Flames right now. Just seeing these prices, I haven't actually looked at much of the pricing because I've been on vacation for the last week. So I don't know what they've been like so much in pre-release, but these prices are really, really low to start off. A lot lower than we saw Scarlet and Violet base set and Paldea Evolved. Next up, we have some ultra rares like this ESQ EX, $2.18 for a really cool looking card, honestly. Then one more trainer that I didn't include in the last slide, the Ortega, going for $3.07. Like Pokemon is literally crushing it out of the park with this artwork, but we're not seeing anything of crazy value in this set. Obviously, we have the Charizards that we're going to talk about later, but that's the outliers here. Then last off on this slide, we have the Vespiquen EX going for $4.16. Another EX under $5 right off the bat. Are you kidding me? Okay, more ultra rares. We got the Pidgeot EX full art going for $5.04. Then we have two more of the Terra Card EX, the Tyranitar going for $9.34. So like even the Tyranitar, a pretty popular Pokemon, and the Terra card, and it's going for under $10. Then the Charizard going for $24.79. This is one where I've been watching some of the pre-release openings like Danny Phantom, PokeRev, PokeVault. They're pulling these cards like crazy. So I'm hesitant about these price points because the pull rates from what I've watched seem to be really, really good so far. I haven't opened any Obsidian Flame yet, and I won't get to it until I'm back next week. But next up, we got some illustration rares. I think, if I did my research correctly, there's only 12 illustration rares in the set, so I have all of them here for you. First, we got the Belly Bolt going for $1.46. Then the Varoom, $1.98. The Lechonk, actually, I really like that artwork, going for $2.17. Then we got the Larvitar, probably, well, arguably my second favorite artwork. I think it's really cool, going for $2.72. I also really like this Gloom, $3.13. And then we got the Pidgeotto, $3.23. The Pidgeotto part of the Pidgey evolution line. If you haven't seen that yet, we'll go through the rest of them here shortly. The next up, we got Palafin, $3.32. Houndour, $3.53. The Scizor, very interesting artwork. I don't know if I like it yet or not, but definitely distinct in that it's a bit darker and that like red background really stands out. $4.88. Next, we got the Pidgey line, $6.25, and followed by the Cleffa. Mild interruption because there's the cleaners walking around outside. Hilarious. Cleffa going for $6.87, and then the biggest illustration rare out of the bunch, also the most gorgeous one, the Ninetales, going for $12.06. Absolutely gorgeous card. Seriously though, this Pidgey on the left, like the more and more I see the Pidgey evolution line, I really, really like it. I really want to pull those. Then we have three hyper rare cards. We got the Artisan Stadium card, I think. Yep, $4.45. Then we have the basic Fire Energy Gold card, $4.98. And then we have that Charizard EX Terra card in the gold version going for $40.58 currently. Again, I've seen this card pulled so many times on YouTube already that I don't know if it can maintain these prices for sure. Then we got 6 special illustration rares, and that's going to be the video. So it's going to be a short one today. Starting off with the ESQ EX, $5.25. A very interesting card. I don't know if I like it or not, but it's definitely interesting is the word I'll use to describe it. Followed by Poppy going for $6.60. I actually thought this one might be a little bit bigger, but not. $6.60 is where it currently sits. And then the Revavroom EX, not my favorite Pokemon by any means from what they came out with, but this one, again, a special illustration rare going for under $10. $8.39 is where it currently sits, which leads us to the last three cards we're talking about. Here we go. Gita, special illustration rare. I do love all three of these artworks, to be honest with you. The Gita is very, very nice looking. The artwork is spectacular. $14.85 where it currently sits. Then followed by the Pidgeot EX special illustration rare, going for $17.47. Love that Pidgey line. It looks so cool, and I love how the artwork is so different than lots of the other cards in this set. And then, of course, we have the big Charizard, the Charizard EX Terra Special Illustration Rare, currently sitting at $106.94. So here's my final take on it all. Literally watched quite a bit of YouTube on my trip here, where people are opening Obsidian Flames, and these Charizards are just coming in hot. So maybe they are rigged and whatnot, but I think that the pull rates seemingly are quite good in Obsidian Flame, and these Charizards are going to be like, I don't know. I don't think this Charizard is going to hold its $100 value based on what I've seen right off the bat. I could be wrong, but it's a little bit of a scary set right now because there's literally three cards that are worth some money. You got all three Charizards that are worth like 25, 40, and 106 right now. Everything else is really, really low in the value. So opening up these booster boxes, I mean, I'm definitely going to open up some, but these ones, like, it almost reminds me of how Darkness Ablaze is doing in the market right now. Like, you have the one Charizard VMAX card going for like $30 to $40. It's been there for a while, and everything else is kind of in that $10 range. There's not a lot to be excited about in Darkness Ablaze, and seemingly Obsidian Flame kind of feels the same way. So hard to know. But then again, Charizard is always a fan favorite. So Charizard, like just the three Charizards of the set, could make it popular moving forward. Plus, you do have those illustration rares that are really nice. You got the Pidgey Evolution line, which I think people are going to really like. You have that Ninetales, which, if there's one card that I think could go up in value, kind of like the Magikarp did in Paldea Evolved, it's that Ninetales, just because of how gorgeous it is. But is Ninetales a Pokemon that people love as much as like Magikarp Gyarados line? Hard to say. So that's my initial thoughts. The initial release day markets. Honestly, these prices are changing like as I'm doing the presentation. So just like keep your eye out on it. Full disclaimer note that you are not going to see me. I have one more pre-recorded video for Monday. Then I'm not going to have a video on Wednesday or Friday next week. I'm going to be in Mexico serving at a home that rescues girls from abuse. So won't be around. Won't have internet either, so I won't be commenting on anyone. But if you do want to enter to win the draw this week, make sure to comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and like this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and coming up here in about a week and a little bit, I will see you then. My name is Colin. Thanks for watching. Peace out.